excavator. Me, some dirt, makes a jump, a little one, just a little one, for the boys to get across. Here they come. Comes Harry, big. Xander in the background. Having a ball. There he comes. He's being very precautious by the look of it. That's fun at Grandpa's. Takeuchi.